Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. US dollar index struggles for direction around 93.30, looks today. ntvforex.com news ID 42C6839 minutes ago by Pablo Piovano. DXY bounces off recent lows and regains the 93.00 mark. US politics and an extra stimulus package remain in center stage. Retail sales, industrial production, flash UMich next on tap. The greenback, in terms of the US dollar index DXY, has managed to reclaim the key 93.00 mark and above at the end of the week, although a clear trend remains absent so far this week. US dollar index looks to politics, risk, data. The index now alternates gains with losses around the 93.3020 band at the end of the week, regaining some composure after Thursday's lows in the sub-93.00 region. Indeed, the dollar keeps looking to the US political scenario, where there are no hints of a probable resumption of talks between Democrats and Republicans regarding a new stimulus bill. In the meantime, the broad risk appetite trends continue to dominate the headlines in the global markets, always against the persistent trade-off between the unremitting coronavirus pandemic second wave already and the progress of the economic reopening. In the US data space, retail sales for the month of July are due, seconded by industrial manufacturing production, capacity utilization, and the preliminary print of the consumer sentiment tracked by the UMich index. What to look for around USD? The index stays on the defensive after being rejected once again from the 94.00 region earlier in the week. Looking at the broader picture, investors remain bearish on the dollar against the usual backdrop of a dovish Fed, the unabated advance of the pandemic and somewhat diminishing momentum in the economic recovery, whereas persistent US-China effervescence appears on the supportive side of the greenback. On another front, the speculative community remained well into the negative territory for yet another week, supporting the view that a serious bearish trend could be shaping up around the dollar. US dollar index relevant levels at the moment: the index is gaining 0.11% at 93.35 and a break above 93.99 weekly high. August 3 would aim for 94.20, 38.2% Fibo of the 2017-2018 drop, and then 96.03, 50% Fibo of the 2017-2018 drop. On the other hand, the next support is located at 92.93 weekly low August 13, followed by 92.52 2020 low August 6, and finally 91.80 monthly low May 18. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.